All right, we are on our last question. So question number 14, we're given an example of constraints here. It says you need to buy some filing cabinets. You know that cabinet X costs $10 per unit. It requires 6 square feet of floor space. It holds 8 cubic feet of files. Cabinet Y costs $20 per unit. It requires 8 square feet of floor space and holds 12 cubic feet of files. You have been given $140 for this purchase, though you don't have to spend that much. The office has room for no more than 72 square feet of cabinets. The nice thing about this, that's a lot of information. Guess what? You don't even have to really decipher any of it because they've already given us a graph. It says the graph below shows the feasible region for the situation. So I don't need to make my inequalities in this example. I just need to be able to interpret the graph. Okay? So it says which ordered pairs meet all the constraints and make sense for the situation. I have my constraints, they're all graphed here, and the shaded region is my feasible region. Okay, so my feasible region are all of the possible solutions. So if I look at this first one, 2, 8, 2, 8 ends up all the way up here. That is not in the feasible region, so A cannot be an answer. But 2, 4 is in my feasible region, so that would be one possible combination of cabinets. I might get 2 of X cabinet and 4 of the Y cabinet. So then I'm going to test 6, 6. 6, 6 is up here. That's outside my feasible region, so that doesn't work. 8, 2 is inside my feasible region, so that one would work. Okay. And then lastly, I have 2, 3.5. 2, 3.5 is right here. Okay, like right in here. But can we have 3.5 parts of a cabinet? If I'm going to buy cabinets, I don't want a half a cabinet. I want a whole cabinet. Okay, so this answer doesn't make sense for the context of our situation. So just because you have a shaded feasible region doesn't mean that all the decimal parts would be included depending on your problem. Now, if we were talking about money, sure, that would be great, but we're not. We're talking about an actual item that we can't have a portion of. All right, that wraps up our test review for Unit 3. Good luck, guys.